When we talk about the Northeast youth, we have this incredible background of contradictions which they have negotiated to come to where they are. From the extraordinary cultural heritage that they bring, to the structural neglect, to access to global digital the entire format itself, to limits on economic development. So if you look at the Northeast youth today, they want three things. One, they want dignity of identity, the mobility of opportunity, and the ability to design their own future for themselves. If you look at these young people here, they are the face of this tree desire that burns in their heart.
The Northeast youth taking a stand, and a lot of young people coming up and sharing their voice. And I think that will lead to the future of both governance and the business and the startup culture going together harmoniously. That is what I see as the potential of the youth and what they want for the coming future.
Correct.
Yeah.
As we are talking about changes, so to bring the real change, what do you think, who should take the lead? Yeah, who?
I think you're asking a very right question, because as a follow-up, it's not just about the passion we have, but we need a quality